Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Welcome to the December's free masterclass, which is content to clients. And I'm very happy that you guys have joined this masterclass and just hopped on to see how can content benefit your business. And let's just talk a little about me. Let me introduce myself. I am Sira Sarfraz, a freelancer and a mentor for business owners from Pakistan. And I am here today to help you master your content creation and how to create content that attracts your dream clients. So, this masterclass is for freelancers, content creators, content writers, or any kind of service provider. So, if you're providing service in any kind of field, this masterclass is for you. I hope you are going to learn a ton from this masterclass. Just make sure to take a screenshot of this and just share this on your Instagram so I can see that what you guys are learning and if you guys want more masterclasses like these. So let's just start and hop on to the masterclass content. So just make sure you guys have a pen and copy near you so that you guys can make notes and fully benefit from this free masterclass. So without moving on to content creation, we first have to define content. Everyone, of course, have their own definition for content, but in my opinion, from my experience, content is anything that you share on social media. Whether you are sharing a spotlight from your day, whether you are sharing your favorite quotation, whether you are sharing a picture of you doing some random activity, that is content. Content doesn't always have to be in a proper a post form. It can be through your stories, it can be through your statuses, it can be through your highlights, it can be through your notes even. And these all are different forms of sharing content. Our focus is to create every content valuable and relevant to our target audience. And in this masterclass, we are going to look at exactly that, at how we are going to do that and attract potential leads and our dream clients. One of the most important elements in a piece of content is its tone. How you want to be perceived in front of your viewers, how you want to be perceived in front of your audience, how you want to be known in front of your community. So your tone is very important. Do you want to be perceived as formal, informal, professional, casual, fun, friendly, serious, and like corporate? This is your tone. And in one post, in one piece of content, if you are being fun, right? Friendly, and in the next piece of content, you are being like switching from friendly to professional. And then in the next piece, you are again from casual to formal, informal, and then you are being like again serious. So this just confuses your audience. This confuses your reader, and this blocks you from building that connection. So when you are creating a piece of content, when you're starting, when like you have made a decision to post content on Instagram, for example, what is going to be your tone? Think that first and that create content aligned to that tone. And make sure your tone is consistent across every platform you're on. If you, for example, are on LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook, make sure you have the same tone at every platform so that you can be known for that single tone. You can be perceived for that tone. Now, that was all about the tone. Now, how are you going to create content that attracts your target audience? So, just make sure you are super clear on your content pillars and your niche. So, for example, I am a business mentor and a freelancer, and in freelancing, I am like a copywriter and graphic designer. So, what my content pillars are graphic designing, copywriting, and business, right? And I'm only going to share content about these three things. I cannot share about any other freelancing skill. I cannot share about any other thing which is not related, which is not relevant to my niches. So that is your content pillars. One day you are sharing a random fact about that niche, and then one day you are switching from this niche to that niche. So this just confuses your reader. Your content will only succeed if you have clarity. And clarity comes from confidence. So for example, if I'm a graphic designer, I am confident in my services. If I'm a copywriter, I am confident about my services. If I'm a business owner, I am confident in my services and what results I can get my clients, right? So when I am confident in all of these three content pillars, then I know I can be sharing tips about these, and I'm super clear on these three topics. So when you are clear about your topics and when you are confident in your services and products, you can like expect the same from your audience. Your audience will be much clearer on your offers and your services and about your content. And only then they are going to buy something from you. Only then you are going to have that connection with them. So now let's say that you are super clear on what you offer and you're super clear on your content pillars. Now let's talk about how you are going to attract the clients. So first of all, you are going to address a problem. Then your product is going to be the savior, the solution to that one problem, right? And then you are going to address the pain points of your target audience and tell them that how your product can solve their problems. Simple as it is. You are going to create a product that is going to solve any pain point of your audience, and then you are going to promote it. You are going to talk about it that this product which I have created is going to be a lifesaver if you are suffering from this problem. So now Sirat, how are we going to identify the pain points? Simple. Target audience research. You are going to look at who your target audience is, and then you are going to take a note of their actions. Take a note on which platforms they are active the most, on which platforms, like what is your niche and what are the most common problems that can be like faced by them, and then you are going to create a product that is going to solve them, right? And when you position yourself as a lifesaver, as a solution to the problem, then definitely you are going to attract the clients, then definitely you are going to make sales, right? So make a product that is solving any problem of your target audience and then promote it. But there's a difference. You are not going to address the pain point, like for example, if I am a business mentor, right? I'm not just going to write in my copy, I'm not going to address in my content that you are not making 6 figures a year, you are not getting clients, this is the problem that you are facing. I'm not going to do it like that. I'm going to empathize, right, myself with my clients. I'm going to share something relatable. You don't have to be furious on them. You don't have to look angry on them and just be so pushy to buy your offer. You are going to connect, first build that connection, that human connection with them. You are going to connect with them, and then you are going to tell, all right, for example, all right, Sarah, you have this problem in your business. I have some offers which can definitely help you, right? You're not just jumping right off into promoting your product. You first have to know a bit about your target audience and whether they will be the perfect match for your product or not. So don't just jump on selling and being pushy. You have to build that connection, you have to build that relationship in order to get clients, in order for people to buy from you. So now let's imagine you have created your dream product, right? And you have your clients in front of you. And let's just say that you are making 10 sales per month. But that 10 needs to be turned into 100 per month, right? And how we are going to get to that place, to get to that step in life where you are making 100 sales per month? That is going to be through our testimonials. If you're selling, let's say, one seat of any of your courses, or if you're selling any one of your product, you are going to create a testimonial collection system, and you are going to reach out to your customer and ask for their testimonials, ask for their feedback, right? And then you are going to share that on your stories, on your social media platforms, so that people can know about your product, what others are saying from for that product, and it creates a sense of FOMO, fear of missing out, that other people are buying for that product, so we need to buy that too. If others are like having a lot of benefit through this product, we need to get the benefit too. This creates a sense of missing out, right? And that is exactly what we are going to create to get more people buy our product. It's not manipulation, it's just simple psychology. Because we know our product is good, and we need to know, and we need people to know about it. And this is exactly what this testimonial collection system is going to do. And there you have it, the step-by-step process of creating content and turning it into a client attraction system. And let's just recap it a bit. So the first step was to choose the brand tone, which you are going to use consistently across each of your platform. Next was to choose the content pillar. What are specific topic? What are some specific niches in which you're going to talk about? Then the third step was to create content, and the content you are creating should be valuable, and it should create a connection between you and your target audience. Then our next step was to launch an offer. Our offer should be some like a solution to a target audience's problem. And then we are going to, of course, make sales, but those sales need to increase, right, from 10 to 100 and from 100 to 150 per month, right? And we are going to create a testimonial collection system for that. So I hope you guys benefit a lot from this small masterclass, and I just wanted to let you all know that if you want a one-on-one coaching, that I'm available for some spots on January and December. So you guys can contact me on Instagram on Sirat Graphics, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. I hope you guys learned a lot, and make sure to share this on your story and tag me there so I can see you. Bye bye.